3, 2, 1, level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, level up, level up.
What's up, YouTube? So today, as you can see by the title of this video, I will be doing the 24-hour prank / challenge with my sister. I'm not gonna give her any warnings about me doing it. I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna put the handcuffs on her. She'll probably know what's coming her way because we've been talking about it for a while. I go to work at 11 o'clock tomorrow, so we'll probably have to end this at around 10 o'clock tomorrow. So it won't be a complete 24 hours, but it'll be 22 hours, 23 hours, somewhere around there. What you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Get out of my face. Stop, I look bad. I know what you're doing. On the phone.
Girl, so listen to her too much.
Ow. Oh my gosh, Brett.
So, I'm gonna go get dressed.
I gotta get dressed too. How we gonna do this?
Oh no, I'm gonna get dressed. You're stuck like that.
No, baby, no.
Ow. You're stuck like that. You gotta change your pants and that's it. That's another 24 hours with your shirt on.
This is too tight.
Okay, we'll put your arm down because I need to pull my pants. Ow!
But I know I stopped playing with me. Oh my god.
No, you stop playing with
Oh,
me.
stop! Brett, this jump hurt, Brett. What's wrong with you? Dude,
Yeah, I really have to go to Walmart.
wait, not like this.
Oh,
We can't
yeah,
go
like
to
that.
Walmart like this.
That's how it's gonna work. Alright, ready? Hold on. Hold on, Marianne. Now, you know I can't.
Hold on, look what we do.
Marianne, for real? For real.
Go on,
Brett,
Brett.
it's
It's cold. Go on now. Yeah. I like a whole.
Hey, bro, for real.
Mom, bro. Come on.
Can you freaking wait?
Ow! I gotta put my pants.
Bro, it's cops here and shit.
Oh no,
Hey,
look.
put your arm down, son. The fuck?
Oh my god, it's so cold. It feel like I'm getting rained on.
Feels like it's
I mean,
snowing.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. I feel like
Rained
I feel like
no
so
shit,
much
it's
people
raining.
looking at me from school now. Look at my pants falling
Bro,
down.
I have on house shoes and I'm stepping in puddles and there's a freaking hole in my shoe. I know y'all see how red my wrist is.
Well, that's how my hand was in the car. I didn't hear nothing.
Whose fault is that?
Myself.
Do not tell me they ran out. I'm gonna be so mad.
Well, we gotta go to the other one. Right?
The other Walmart don't have any either. I saw the aloe vera over there. Come on.
Ow! Oh, that's it.
There it is.
No, look, that's what we had in Puerto Rico.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Remember, we was crap. You're so retarded, man.
It is.
I told you this.
We're gonna come back with Mama. She can buy them herself.
Ew, look at these two ugly aloe veras.
198. Got the last two. Big ass.
The crowd.
Can I close the door?
Can I close the door? Can you? Why are you doing that? Uncuff her.
Girls, leave me alone.
This is all about you. Ain't nothing about her. Oh, I am funny.
What do you want to do for once? Are you crazy? What did you just do?
I'm telling you.
in my mouth.
I'm sorry.
She's not paying me any attention.
Look at her face.
We are both pissed about something. She's upset because she can't go to Carowinds. I'm really not upset. I just wanted to say that.
Mr. Dress, could you hypnotize her at any point?
What it normally is, I really need you to wash your hands like you're gonna keep coming in my damn bag. Stop, let me scratch my nose. Stop.
Go ahead.
Come on. You're really hurting me. Wait, it hurts. So bad, that shit hurt.
Stupid.
My boobs are not.
Oh, look. Let me go.
Why your toes black underneath your nail? You don't slow. Pull up for the
Stop!
wall.
I'm getting mad now.
Stop playing your freaking head.
I'm not playing, bro. I'm not playing.
Don't come out. I didn't think it would go out. Well. I don't know why I thought it wouldn't come out. That was very smart of me.
That was a lot of water.
Okay, y'all, it is currently 3:21. So we've been in this out for about, I want to say 4 hours. I have to use the restroom.
No, man. For real, I'm not playing, man.
I'm being so serious. I have to pee.
sleepy. Listen though, bro.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
How would you put it here?
Stop. What the
This is my wiping hand.
Ew. No, babe, bro. You better wipe with your
Let me grab some tissue. I need you to cooperate for real.
Nikki, for real, I'm not. No, bro.
I'm not, but
So nasty. I'm not doing that. I'm not playing.
Marty, can I
Wait.
roll up my tissue? Oh my gosh, I can't even roll up my tissue. Ready?
No. Wipe the other one.
Look at all this yarn hanging out this bag. This bag was supposed to go downstairs like months ago. And it never went back down here. Let me see what's... Ow. It's freaking like 43 degrees out here. I'm in this shirt and it's sprinkling. And we gotta go to the laundromat because our freaking apartment doesn't have a washer or dryer connection.
That sounds like we're so poor.
Yeah,
But we're not.
It's too cold in here. Let me tell y'all, so we walked out the laundromat, right? And there was a lady sitting in her car. She was like, "Can I ask y'all a question?" And I was like, "Yeah."
She was like, "Why y'all handcuffed?"
And I was like, "Oh, we have a YouTube channel and we're doing a challenge."
And guess what she asked? How long are y'all handcuffed for? He said 24 hours. Then she asked the same question over again.
Yeah, and then she was like, "No, but how much longer do you have to do it for?" And I was like, "Oh, until like 10 o'clock in the morning." She was like, "So y'all gotta shower together? Y'all gotta sleep together?
Bathroom
Y'all gotta use the bathroom together?" And I was like,
Yes.
"Yeah."
Like,
But I'm pretty sure she didn't know that we were sisters.
yeah, she probably thought we were gay.
Oh well.
But it's okay because she's the only gay one in the family.
I'm not gay. Kid y'all not. People are literally looking at us.
Boy next to us.
Don't do that. Stop doing that. Put your arm down.
What did I do?
I'm about to. Bro, that's not even funny, bro. That's not even funny.
You embarrassed. I'm sorry for the people that have their headphones, but you embarrassed because freaking it's a cute one.
Alright, yeah. You pulling at me. You embarrassed? Are you embarrassed? Bitch, you fucking ran.
No, this
You
is
gotta
so.
walk away from us.
They so funny, man.
You sitting there. I should have recorded you kicking and laughing and screaming and shit.
Ooh, you was too embarrassed now. I need my phone to charge.
Come on, let's get these clothes.
So basically,
Let me tell y'all real quick. Okay?
basically,
So this boy, right? So we're sitting here, and this boy pulled up on us. First of all, I look fat as hell. Second of all, so he caught us like coming out of the car together.
yeah, cause you had to go through one side. Don't mind my hair.
And so yeah. So that's cool. That night is going so far. But it's okay.
And now he's just
Because I'm
looking
pretty
at
sure he
us.
thinks I'm gay anyways.
He's cute.
And he's dark skinned, so you already know. Okay, y'all, so last update.
And this boy, we should have shown him. I tried to show his car in the last clip, but he kept like, didn't want him to look at us.
Okay, so yeah, last update on this boy.
When we was walking out the door, because we had a basket in our hand, we had these on, so it was so hard to open it and like, you know, walk out at the same time. So he opened the door, and then he was like, he just started shaking his head.
He was like, why y'all do that, bro?
He
I was like, oh my god. I was like, we got a YouTube channel. We're doing a challenge.
yeah, and he was like, oh, decent.
I don't remember what he said. Because Grandma
He
started
was
talking about.
talking, yes. I'm like, Grandma.
Well, I have a challenge.
I was like, be quiet.
I was like, okay, Grandma, we weren't talking to you. I'm gonna take a shower. Let me redo that because.
How are we about to take a shower like this?
It's soap. It's soap. It's soap. I need you to calm down. It's literally soap. And I'm done. Alright, you can cover me up.
Oh, wait, see my shirt. We're finally freaking done. But she used to sleep on the outside. And I sleep on the inside. It's always been like that.
Today,
But it's always been like that.
since
though.
we both.
Like, you always sleep on the outside.
Yeah, and it just happens to be the left, but it's just more comfortable for me that way too.
But yeah, we finna go to sleep. Because I'm waking up at 9 o'clock so I can take this off.
9:30. If we can even sleep tonight. I feel like I'm not even gonna be able to sleep tonight. I'm gonna be so mad. 3:43 a.m. and I really have to use the restroom. I already woke her up. Yo, these junks got my wrist so. Alright, y'all, so it is currently.
I'm gonna take this off. Come on.
It's currently 9:40 a.m. I'm supposed to wake up at 9:30. I go to work at 11, which means my job is 30 minutes away from my house. So that means I have to leave an hour before. So that means I have to leave in 20 minutes. So we're gonna get dressed and then we'll be back. Time is now 10:01.
Take them off.
I can finally take all these stupid handcuffs.
The wrist is pregnant. Look at this.
So now I finally changed my shirt and then we'll be right back. So we hope that y'all enjoyed this 24-hour challenge. It was definitely a challenge. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, we are doing a giveaway. Share this video. You will get from $1 to $10 depending on the caption. If we see your post, we will ask you for your Cash App name, and then we will send you the money. So don't forget to share, not just this video, any video, whichever video is your favorite. Yeah.
And we'll see y'all in the next video.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romperlo.